Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that decompose into partial fraction this fraction. So we have to decompose this into partial fraction. So there are different methods of doing this. There are different methods of decomposing this fraction into partial fraction. There is the cover-up rule, the elimination method, the method of undetermined coefficients. But in this one, I'll be using the method of the elimination method. I personally like the elimination method. So that one, let me show you how it's done. Solution. So first, we'll write this. Now, the denominator is a quadratic equation. So we have to express it. We have to factorize it. So this will become, using factorization method, this is negative, the product of this and this. The product of this and this is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared. So we have to find something that will multiply to give us that, and we'll add to give us this. So negative 2x squared. If we take negative x and negative x and 2x, yes, not negative x, 2. If we take negative x and 2x, yes. If we take negative x and 2x, we'll get it. We take negative x. If we take negative x and 2x, we'll get it. Not negative x and negative x. Because this times this is negative 2x squared, and this minus this is x. So we can express it in this form now. The denominator will be x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2. So we factorize it. It becomes x plus 2, this minus 1, x plus 2. So it becomes, then you factorize this with x plus 2. It becomes what? This becomes x plus 2x minus 1. So this will be expressed in x plus 2, x minus 1. So now we'll equate these two partial fractions. Since these are linear equations since these are linear equations and they are different, so we don't need to use the other methods. And there's no reoccurring one. There's no reoccurring linear factor. It's easy. We can just say a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 1. So now using the elimination method, we'll create this fraction by multiplying both sides by this. So if we multiply everything, this becomes 6x is equals to a. This will divide by this, so it will become x minus 1 plus b. This will become x plus 2. Now, according to the elimination method, we will eliminate one variable to find the other. So first, let's find a. So we'll eliminate b. So to find a, we'll eliminate this b. So we'll set x plus 2 equals to 0, so that this whole thing becomes 0, and we'll have a. So, but there's x here. So what is the value of x when x plus 2 is equal to 0? X is negative 2. So we'll substitute negative 2 here. Even though you substitute negative 2 here, you still get 0. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So here is 0. Then this becomes 6 negative 2 equals to a negative 2 negative 1. So this becomes what? Negative 12. A is negative 3a. So a is what? Negative 3. You divide both sides by negative 3. This becomes 4. A is 4. So a is 4. Then we'll eliminate b now. To eliminate b, we will set x minus 1 equals to 0. So that x equals to 1. Now, when x is equals to 1, we'll substitute it in this equation. Here, 6 times 1. Here, even though you substituted 1 minus 1 is 0, so everything here is 0. Then here is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So here is 1 plus 2, which is 3b. Then here becomes, you divide both sides by 3. So b is equals to what? 6 over 3, which is 2. So a is 4, b is 2. Now we can express this as the partial fraction of what? Now this becomes 6x over x plus 2 equals to what? Now this is equals to 4 over x plus 2. That is here. 4 over x plus 2 plus b, which is 2 over x minus 1. 2 over x minus 1. So now, if you solve now if you solve this right hand side, you should get the left hand side. If you find the LCM is x plus 2 times x minus 1. You find it and then you solve this, you get this. You should get this. So that's all about this partial fraction. This is the final answer. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.